Want to hide your last scene from just one person on WhatsApp? Here's how you can do it easily. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Now tap on the three dots in the top right corner and go to Settings. Next, tap on Privacy, then select Last Seen and Online. Here, choose My Contacts Accept and select the person you want to hide your last scene from. Once selected, tap the check mark to save your changes. Keep in mind, if you hide your last scene from someone, you also won't be able to see theirs. And that's it, your last scene is now hidden from that person. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips.